Okay, so we are going to be cutting the flare, and we are using 2 yards worth of satin fabric. So this is how you'll be able to fold your flare. In order for you to get, we are cutting 360 flare, so all round flare. We have 180, we have 720, but we are this moment cutting 360 flare. So the 360 flare, I'm using 2 yards of satin, bridal satin fabric. So as you can see here, I would actually fold it. These is 2 yards, so this is 1 yard and this is 1 yard. I fold the 2 yards into two. After that, I would actually fold it downwards like so. So this is what you get at the end of the day. So this is how it would look like. These is the 2 yards folded and refolded at this direction as well. So she has the waist of 38 inches and 38 inches divided by 6.12, we are going to get 6.2, right? But I'll be using 6 because the card is already in bias. Flare cards are in bias. So definitely there's going to be a bit of expansion. So I'm going to be cutting it at 6 inches. So this is what you see here, if you can see. So that is it. I'll be marking 6 inches. So this is it. So this is the 6 inches, and her skirt length is actually 23. Okay, so I mark the 6 inches. I go and mark other 6 inches, another 6 inches, so another 6 inches. So making it like so, right? So we have, this is it. So this is the person's waist. In order for you to get a measurement to cut this measurement, you would need a person's waist divided by 6.12, and that is constant. Yep. So we have here to be 24 inches, right? So actually her length is 23, but since we're going to be hemming it, I'm adding extra 1 inch as the hemming allowance. So this is it. You mark the length 24 all throughout, as you can see me doing here. So this is it. You mark it out 24, mark it out 24, mark it out 24, 24. So after you've marked all out, after you marked all out, you joined every mark together in order for you to get your accurate measurement, just as you see me doing here. So this is it. This is a length of 24. We need 23, but we'll be using 1 inch as our hemming allowance. So this is what you see. So this is all that it comes in with when you are cutting your, where's my scissors? Your flare skirt. So this is it. As easy as 1, 2, 3. So this is it. Then you cut it out like so, right? Yeah. So we're done, and then we cut the waist out. You can decide to cut the waist before you go in to cut the length of the dress. Each one that you prefer is fine and is correct. So after we're done cutting it, you can choose to divide any of these angles so that you can use it as your zipper allowance. So I'm cutting the first one. So this is how it looks at the end of the day. And this is it. We are done with our flare skirt with a waist of 38. So this is how it looks. This is how our flare skirt looks. And this is 360 degrees flare. There are different types of flare. So this is a 360 degrees flare. And yes, this is set. So let me just We will be adding a soft net to it. The soft net is actually on the flare skirt. So this is how we're going about it. You'll be doing so this soft net is 10 yards, right? 10 yards of soft net that we will be adding to the dress. The skirt. This is a skirt, flare skirt, and this soft net is on it, right? So I'm actually going to, in order for me to get the length, I'm going to place it on it to get to understand which length will be suitable for the dress or the skirt, and then I'll cut one, and then I'll use that measurement to cut the remaining 10 yards. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is our flare skirt. So I'm putting it on it. So this is how it would going to be look. It would look like after it is completely sewn. As you can see here, yeah, this is how it's going to be look. Okay, after everything is completely sewn and done. So this is it. I'm trying to get it right, all in shape, so that I can be able to start doing the cupping. And yes, this is it. Trim it out to make sure that it is even, so that I can start with a cut. This is a soft net. So here, okay, this length is fine. So I'll be cutting my first length as so. So this is it. So I'll be using this length to cut the remaining ones. I'm putting the skirt somewhere, and then I would use this length to cut the remaining 10 yards. It just makes it easier if you get one and then you use that first measurement as a guide for the other ones. It makes it very easier. Yep. So arrange it till I get it all even, and then supposed to be even. Not truly that even. Not truly that even. So not truly that even. So I trimmed it out, place it on it, using it as a guide, so that I'll be able to cut it out. Let it out. Oops. So like so, I'll do that through till I'm completely done with the 10 yards soft net. Yep. So I'm kindly signing off. If you have any question, kindly leave them in the comment section. I will gladly reply you. Have a great day, and don't forget to stay safe.